In the pristine waters off the coast of Greenland, amidst towering icebergs and the ethereal dance of the northern lights, Dr. Eva Jensen, a dedicated marine biologist aboard the research vessel Aurora, was on a mission to unravel the mysteries of Arctic marine life. Her fascination with the region's unique biodiversity drove her daily observations and studies, particularly focused on Arctic cod and the profound impacts of climate change. One crisp morning, the routine of scientific inquiry was interrupted by an unexpected visitor, a local fisherman bearing a remarkable find. Cradled in weathered hands was a small Arctic char, a species familiar yet altered by a striking anomaly, a third eye, shimmering like a green gem between its ordinary pair. Dr. Jensen's curiosity surged as she meticulously examined the fish, documenting every detail and collecting samples for genetic analysis. Speculation buzzed among the crew and the wider scientific community. Was this a genetic mutation, a new species, or an evolutionary marvel crafted by the Arctic's extreme conditions? As days turned into weeks aboard the research vessel, named Trilumina by the crew for its three-eyed marvel, Dr. Jensen led an international effort to unlock its secrets. Experts from around the globe joined remotely, contributing insights that fueled spirited debates and theories. Amidst the Arctic's encroaching winter, a breakthrough emerged from genetic sequencing. Trilumina was indeed a distinct subspecies of Arctic char. Its third eye, equipped with light-sensitive cells, offered a unique advantage in hunting bioluminescent prey in the Arctic's dark depths, a stunning adaptation to survive the polar night. News of Trilumina spread rapidly through scientific circles and beyond, igniting imaginations with discussions ranging from evolutionary biology to Greenlandic folklore. Despite the global fascination, Dr. Jensen remained committed to the fish's welfare, deciding to release Trilumina back into its natural habitat after careful tagging for ongoing study. As Trilumina vanished into the icy embrace of Greenland's seas, it symbolized resilience and adaptation in a changing world. Dr. Jensen, inspired anew by the discovery, returned to her research with a renewed determination, knowing that the Arctic's depths held countless mysteries awaiting those who dared to explore and protect our planet's fragile ecosystems. The discovery of Trilumina not only enriched Arctic marine biology, but also underscored the boundless wonders awaiting discovery beneath Earth's frozen surfaces, a testament to nature's resilience and humanity's ongoing quest to understand and safeguard our planet.